video, I will be showing you how to build a property rental website in Wix. The first thing you want to do after creating your Wix account, which you can do for completely free, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, I want you to tap on Setup without AI. After selecting Setup without AI, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from there you can simply type in property rental. So you could type in property rental right here on the search bar, and you can see the option multiple property rental, better yet, or you can scroll down. If it is a vacation property that you're renting, you can select that also. You can see the different options right there by scrolling down, and we are going to select multiple property rental. After you have done that, you'll tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you can see it is preparing our dashboard. Once your dashboard has been prepared, you'll be able to enter your website name. So let's say, for example, test rental. Then you're going to tap on continue. You can see the different recommended apps, and one that we'll definitely need to select is the Wix Hotels, as with this app we'll be able to set up our bookings. If it is a case that you like to start selling products or so on using this website, you could select online store, and you can also add a blog if you want. With this blog, you'll be able to create content that in turn persons can see about your property. So you could select blog right there. And if you like to add any other app, you can do that. But I would recommend that you select the Wix Hotels and the blog app right there. And if it is a case that you would like to add your Instagram feed also, so let's say you're promoting your rental property or properties on Instagram, you could select the Instagram feed. Then tap on continue. After selecting continue, we're going to tap on go to dashboard. Once you have selected go to dashboard, you'll be redirected to your Wix dashboard. And this is how it looks. And we're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and I want you to select hotels. After selecting hotels, you're going to tap on start now. After tapping on start now, you will be redirected to this page, and we're going to simply tap on agree and add, as we want to add the app. So once you have tapped on agree and add, you're going to give it a few seconds, and this is the Wix Hotels app that will be added right here. So with this app, you will be able to set up the different bookings and so on that you can offer your clients. So just give it a few seconds while it loads up. Then we're going to tap back on go to dashboard. After you have tapped on go to dashboard, you can see the dashboard is being refreshed right here, and we'll now be able to add our first property. So you can enter the property name, and you can also tap right where you see property type. And for example, you have bed and breakfast, guest house, hotel, hostel, or so on. You can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these options best describes your property. So let's say, for example, I were to select vacation rental, then tap on save. After you have tapped on save, from here you will be redirected to this page, and you can complete your business info. So you could tap right here on let's go right where you see business info. You could add in your business name. You can also upload a logo if you want and a quick description. After doing that, you will scroll down, and from here you could add the location of your property. So you could add in the address right here. And the beautiful thing about Wix is it will add the Google Maps on your website, so it will make it easy for persons that would like to rent your property to view the location and get directions to it using Google Maps. Once you're finished setting that up, you're going to go back, and then from there you can also tap on accept payments. After tapping on accept payments, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. At the moment, I'm located in Jamaica, so I would be able to set up TiloPay and PayPal. These would be the payment options that I would be able to offer my clients. You can also offer different payment options if you are located in different countries. You can also set up manual payments, meaning persons will be able to pay you in cash, when they arrive at the property if you want. And we're going to go over to hotels once more, and we're going to tap right there. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, you could tap on add a room type. So you could tap right there, and from there you will be able to set up the room type. So you could tap on create room type, and from here you can tap choose a kind of room. One of these type of rooms that best describes your property, you can select it. So let's say for example we were to select apartment, then you'll tap on next. From here you can add in the display name, for example double room with sea view. You can also add in the capacity right there. Then you'll tap on next, and from there you will be able to set up the prices. So let's say for example I were to just type in test right here. If I were to tap on next, from here you'll be able to enter the price that you would like to rent it for. As you can see right here, you can also choose the amount of occupancy. Then you could tap on next and you could set up the amenities, and you can also set up the photos and so on, so persons will be able to see how the property looks. Once you're finished with that, you can go over to the left hand menu option once more. You can tap on rate plans, and from here you'll be able to set up the different rates that you would like to rent it for. If you would like to offer any extras, you can do that by tapping on extras right here, and you could create extras if you want. You can also tap on tax categories, and from here you'll be able to set up the different tax depending on the country you're located in. So not only have I shown you how to list your property, but I've also shown you how to set up the different payment options. And from here you can go down to property management, and you'll be able to view all reservations and so on the Wix calendar. Once you're finished doing this, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then we're going to tap on design site. After selecting design site, you're going to tap on pick a template. Once you have tapped on pick a template, from here you can simply tap on the search bar in the top right hand corner, and we're going to type in rental real quick. After you have selected rental, you can select real estate rental agency or vacation rental, and you can see the recommended templates right here. Now let's say I would like to use this one. All I would need to do is tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being prepared in the background. Once the website has loaded up, what you'll need to do next, you're going to tap right where you see the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And after doing that, you'll see how your website looks. So we're going to do that real quick, and you can see how our website looks at the moment. And to start editing it, all you'll need to do is hover over the section that you would like to change, then tap on quick edit. From here we could change the image if we want by tapping on change right there beside the image. Then you could choose to upload an image of your property, or for example's sake we're just going to be using a royalty free image from Wix. So we'll simply tap right there, and we're just going to be using any one of these random videos or pictures, better yet. So I'll just select this one and I'll tap on choose. And you can see that the image has now changed. And it is the same thing to edit the text sections. All you'll need to do is tap on the text box. Then from there you can tap on edit text, and you can scroll down and you can edit any text section. And if it is a case that you would like to add something to your website that you don't see at the moment, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus that says add elements. After tapping on the plus, you can add images, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You will find it in this section and you can quickly add it. After you're finished doing this and setting up your website, and by the way, to view all the pages on your website, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner, and you can see all the pages right here. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.